This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. They both have 8 gigs of RAM. They're both on Android 9. Xiaomi Redmi K20 on its latest version of MIUI. The S10 Plus on its latest version of One UI. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm going to give the boot up win by a considerable margin to the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. K20, messages. Very close. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Draw. Clock on both phones. Very close. Maybe the K20 actually on that one. Start the stopwatch on both. Leave it running. Chrome and Samsung Internet. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Very close. Ooh, maybe the K20 Pro a little bit faster on that. We'll scroll on the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. And looking at the progress bar. Ooh, maybe the S10 Plus. This ad came up first. We'll pinch to zoom on both so you can compare. Nice and smooth on both. Very similar experience. Calculator on both. Very close. Play Store. Let's see, do I see my favorite? The TikTok app, not that one. Nope, I do not see it. Let's look for it. Boom. We'll click on that and we'll install it. Nope, we'll leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Very close again. We'll click on this and we'll leave it there. eBay. Ooh, very close. Maybe the K20. We'll click on this iPhone. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Ooh, a little bit faster on the K20. Tap to begin. Pretty much identical when running the game. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Ooh, I think the K20 Pro is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give the win to the Xiaomi. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Xiaomi's ahead. Will Samsung catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the Redmi K20 Pro on this. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Ooh, and give the win to the K20 Pro on this. Get rid of that. We'll tap play once. PUBG Mobile, let's go. K20 Pro out in front. Checking for updates. Loading on the K20 first. Will the S10 catch up? No, it does not. We'll give the win to the Redmi K20 on this. We'll get rid of this, get rid of this. Too many prompts. Adobe Photoshop Express. I have this pretty cool 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and click on, let's see, what do we got? I'm gonna click on summer. It is the summertime. We're gonna go ahead and jack this filter up all the way. Click on export on both, so you can see. And what's going on here. There you go. And then we'll save to the gallery. We'll see which one does it faster. And let's go. Pretty much a draw. Twitter. Xiaomi Instagram. Ooh, very close, maybe the S10 on that. Snapchat. Xiaomi. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Love how MIUI does the app switching on this one. So we'll just go through these apps again and see what happens. Both have 8 gigs of RAM, so RAM management should not be a problem. But let's see what happens right now. See if one will lag a little bit. Ooh, S10, a little bit of a lag there on the Angry Birds. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. Mario Run. Mario time for show. eBay. And both lagged on that one. Amazon. A little bit of a lag on the K20. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Browsers. GSM Arena, still there. Clock, running the stopwatch on both. The camera. You guys are the judges. Messages. And the phone app. A little bit faster than the S10. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro or the regular K20? Do you have a Xiaomi Mi 9 or Mi 8? Do you have a Pocophone F1 from last year or a Xiaomi Mi Mix? Or are you a Samsung Knight? Are you rocking the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus? Do you have a Note 9 from last year? Are you looking forward to the Note 10 with a brand new design? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.